Hey, what's happening YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today I'm just going to talk about the new phenomenon in the AI, which is ChatGPT. I've got it in front of me and I've been testing it out this past week and it's absolutely game changer. A lot of you might know it. I've seen it's been doing the rounds on TikTok. A lot of agency owners are actually getting involved with it, because the reality is AI is coming, whether we like it or not. And whilst, yes, you can perceive that it's going to put a lot of people out of work, which it might, who knows what the master's plans are in the future, but it also gives us business owners a massive opportunity to get an edge over the competition, right? Especially if you're willing to be open and accept and learn about it. So today I wanted to run through how we're using it to grow and generate more sales, more leads, better copy, and basically more revenue for our business. Again, I've only been using it for about a week, but it's already been game changer. Honestly, you need to check this out. So for those that don't know me, my name's Raphael, co-founder of Studio Krista. We're a web design creative agency. We also specialize in social media and branding. All I ask in exchange for this video is a like, comment, and subscribe. I've got no course to sell you, so everything I tell you from here on out is just pure advice of what's working for us and things I personally find interesting. So let's get right into the video. ChatGPT, piece of AI software available on desktop for free currently. I believe there's like a plan to start charging for it. I haven't checked that too much, but at the moment it's free and it's absolutely amazing, okay? So for my SMMA and fellow agency people, do not sleep on this. So what can you get with it? There's a lot. So if I bring it up here on my screen, you'll be able to check this later on, but what it gives you basically is the option to do sales scripts, cold emails, blog posts, Instagram captions, social media captions, coding. Like, there's so much basically valuable information that this piece of AI can give you. So the difference I'd say between Google, for example, is Google, you type something in, obviously you get different responses, blog posts, it's kind of time consuming. You've got to find one that you like, bastardize it there on out. What this gives you, for example, is you could type in something simple like, write cold email example for a web design agency targeting real estate agents in Miami. And it's going to go bam. It's going to give you this cold email template that is tried and tested by AI, which is artificial intelligence, which means all the brains put together, because it's going to be far better than any human can give you. And they'll bring it back, and then you can actually just check it or bastardize it slightly to obviously suit your company. You can type something like, make it shorter, bam, gives it to you shorter. You could type something like, add branding in, or change it to plumbers in US in general, and you'll just keep changing it and formatting it exactly each time so you can use it for different things. Normally you'd have to think of the email, type it out, does that sound right? This does it for you, and so far it's been 100% accurate. Like, the grammar's perfect, the sales flow is really good. I really like the way they kind of break it down. Second thing you can use it for, and a lot of people sleep on this, is blog posts. So blog posts are a pain in the ass, that's why no one does them. You've either got to write them yourself, which is long, or outsource them, which is spenny. You've got to spend money on it, so most people don't sleep on it. Blog posts give you a lot of SEO opportunity and organic traffic, and basically start building out your website as well. A lot of you guys have got your SMMA business, you're at the beginning and your website looks a little bit empty. Adding some cool blog posts in there is going to really add some depth and trust and show that you guys are legit. This can pump out 20 blog posts in under an hour. So you could type in, for example, SEO focused blog posts highlighting the importance of a professional website for real estate agents. Bam, one blog post. You'll pump it out, copy, paste, upload. Another one could be, for example, why plumbers should use Facebook ads to generate more leads. Bam, it will pump out this really well written blog post, which is just mind boggling in my opinion. And there you go. You can repurpose that content, for example, for Instagram. So you could put, Instagram short version, bam, it'll pump that out. It's just mind-boggling. I've been playing with it for about a week, and yeah, you can do so much with it. So those are kind of the ways we've used it at the moment. Again, I'm still at the early stages, but already the scripts, for example, for LinkedIn as well, for the intro messaging is really good. Another thing that a lot of people struggle with, for example, is legal documents. So knowing a privacy page for a certain country. Write privacy page for websites in Germany. Bam, done. Legal document for SMMA businesses, between SMMA agencies and client. Bam, it'll print out that legal document for you. You just have to change the bits where it says company name to your name and so forth, and that's it. As simple as that. Honestly, this is going to absolutely start revolutionizing the way AI integrates, and I highly suggest you do not sleep on this. Go check it out, get involved. There's some really cool stuff that you can do with it. It's going to help basically speed up a lot of your work. Time is money. Time is everything. Time is the most important thing, and this is just going to help you work 10 times more productively. You can do in 1 hour what before might take you 4. So that is just game changer. So definitely don't sleep on it. Go check it out. If you've enjoyed the video, please drop a like and a subscribe. Massively appreciated. Cheers for watching.